Hey guys, good morning here. I'm just gonna give you guys a quick TA on DogeCoin. I know I haven't updated in a while for Doggy just because I've been busy at work. I've been busy with other projects and stuff that I had to work on. And just to kind of let you guys know, I will probably be selling my 10K position on PLTR because I had a business opportunity that kind of showed up and I can't really not take it, right? So I more than likely will be selling PLTR. I think today I'll probably still make a video because more than likely I will be assigned to sell 400 shares of PLTR for the $25 calls that I sold. If PLTR closes above 25 bucks, which I think it will. So I think I probably will be assigned, and my PLTR shares are going to be sold at 25 bucks, which is completely fine because I was going to take the money out anyways. But that's for another video, right? For TA, let's get on to Doggy. Do you guys want the good news or do you guys want the bad news? The good news is, Bitcoin. I do think Bitcoin is going to rally this weekend. I do think that within the next month, Bitcoin will probably hit $50,000. That's what I think personally. I'm completely bullish on Bitcoin. The bad news is I don't know if DogeCoin is going to follow, right? Like, I don't know if any other coin is actually going to follow what Bitcoin is doing. I know that recently DogeCoin's actually been following or correlating its moves a lot with Bitcoin, right? So if Bitcoin goes up, so does Doggy. If Bitcoin goes down, so does Doggy, right? As of right now, what TA is showing me right now, we are pretty... we're still bullish overall. So I like I said before, like, oh, I'm 2-3 weeks... bullish. That's still 100% the move, right? I still think we're gonna be bullish for another 2 to 3 weeks, and I still think that the first week of that rally that we had right here, back from back when the rally started back in December up until till January 2nd, I do think that was just the start of the rally, right? But as of right now, it does seem like Doggy is retesting this resistance right here. It does seem like Doggy is retesting this resistance, and just from what TA is showing me, it looks like we're gonna go back down. It looks like we might be going back down to 007. At least that's what, as far as TA is showing me, right? On the 4-hour, it looks like we're about to cross on the bearish side. So that's what I'm saying. Like we crossed over on the MACD towards the upside. We did go up from, as soon as the cross happened, we went up from 008 all the way back up to 009, but we didn't cross this resistance, which kind of sucks, right? It's just been trading flat and sideways since then. It's been trading flat since yesterday at 4 o'clock in the afternoon up until like right now, right? So I do think that as of right now, if we do cross again to the 4-hour, we are going to be dropping down back to the 007 level, like just from what TA is showing me. That's just kind of being honest with you guys, right? So the hour is still bullish on the Doggy chart. On the 4-hour is mostly what I'm looking at, but we have been trading sideways. We've been trading sideways in this channel for a really long time. So we've around the 009 and 007 range since 11. So the last couple of days, right, we've been trading around this level. And then before, we traded around, from the 10th of January, basically from the 2nd. So for 8 days, we traded around this price range of 1 cent to 0.9, right? So as of right now, it does look like we're going to be trading around this channel. Like, it does look like we're going to be trading around this around this price range. I do kind of have it set up where if we do cross the 4-hour and we're super bearish, we might go back down to the 005 this weekend if we don't correlate our moves with Bitcoin. If we do follow TA, it does look like we're going back to 0.05, half a cent, right? That's what it looks like to me right now. That's what TA is showing me. If we actually do cross over on the 4-hour and we're completely 100% bearish and it's strong movement towards the downside, I fully think we're going to pass the support and we're going to go back to that 0.0, that half a cent level, which kind of sucks, right? I don't, I don't like using, what is it called? I don't like using fibs all that much to look at my levels, because fibs are, I don't want to say they're not accurate, because a lot of the times they are, but for me personally, I just like using my own price range because I find that I'm more accurate than the Fibonacci levels and stuff. So you guys can see right now that for the most part, Fib has been doing pretty, what is it called? So relative low to relative high. I might have gone. Let's see. I guess I can probably do a little bit lower. That's too low. So 00296. We'll do that. 00296. Cool. We'll leave it there. So it does look like, fib kind of supports these levels, but again, we actually, it seems like we crossed over on the 0.5 level for the fib, and then, we're just retesting the upper side of resistance for the 0.618, which is a very important fib level. But like I said, I don't know. It does look like, just from TA, it does look like we're going to be retesting the support, which we're doing right now, and then we're going to be headed back down. But crypto tends to rally on weekends, so I don't know how how bearish this momentum actually is going to be. If we keep up, if the 4 hour, if we actually cross the 4 hour and we go back down and cross this resistance here on the 007. 100%, I think we're going back down to 0.05 to half a cent. If we cross that 4 hour MACD and we stay trading flat just around this area, and then we cross the 4 hour to the bullish side, I do think there's a big chance that we're going to be trading around this price range, and depending on Bitcoin's movement this weekend, we might even cross it, right? But for the most part, there's not a big difference on Doggy right now. There's actually more downside that I think might happen if Bitcoin doesn't go up this weekend. If Bitcoin goes down this weekend, there's a huge chance Doggy is going to go back down to half a cent. That's just my opinion, right? I think that's a big possibility right now. As of right now, I am more bearish than bullish on Doggy. But it really depends on this 4 hour MACD crossover, right? So I mean, if the momentum stays strong and we cross this price range, I fully think we're going to go down here. If we cross the 4 hour bearish side and we stay trending, we stay kind of flat, trading flat this way, or just kind of bouncing off these levels, and then we cross the 4 hour MACD on the bullish side again during the weekend, I fully expect it to go back to this price range of a cent to like 0.09. But as of right now, guys, unfortunately I am a little bearish. Well, not a little, but there's a big chance that we might go back to half a cent. And that's just the way it is. That's just what the TA is showing me, right? I don't have any biases or anything, even though I hold a bunch of Doggy. I have like 500,000 coins, over 500,000. So I have a couple grand invested in DogeCoin, but it's about being unbiased and give you guys just what the chart shows, right? I'm not gonna say, oh, it's gonna go up because fuck yeah, let's keep buying. No. We're here, we're super unbiased, right? I'm just telling you guys exactly what the chart shows me. There's a bigger chance that we go down instead of going up. So we need to gauge to see how the momentum is this weekend. And if we stay trading around this price range, I fully expect this to go back to the 1 cent and 0.09 price range. But if we do have super strong bearish momentum, we cross down at any point, we cross this price range, this support, I do think we're headed back to 5 cents.